Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now, launch CapCut and tap New Project, then pick the photos in the sequence you want. This locks your story flow. Once imported, set the canvas ratio, pick 16, 9 for horizontal or 9/16 for reels because framing dictates cropping later. Make sure Auto Animate is enabled and set each photo duration to about 2 to 4 seconds. This gives natural pacing. While doing that, trim any excess at the start so you can focus on editing, not cleanup. Now you move into the core edits. First, use Adjust. Tweak exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows slightly, think 10 to 25% changes, because subtlety preserves realism. Once done, choose a single filter and reduce strength to 20 to 50% so it enhances without overpowering. Then add keyframes for smooth motion across photos. Combine with mask and background blur to separate subjects and create depth. Make sure to zoom and pan deliberately. Consistent motion, finish by stabilizing shaky clips and applying a light sharpen to preserve detail. Then add one audio track and set volume to about -6 dB so it supports, not drowns, the visuals. Export using 1080p and 30 to 60 frames per second with a high bitrate for clean results. If something goes wrong, check alignment and reset any overstrong filters first. If the app lags, clear CapCut cache and reopen the project. This fixes most issues and keeps your edits intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.